These are single clip-on extensions which usually come in a set of 2. These extensions are fully made of 100% human Remy hair. Size of the base patch, the width is around 1.75 inches and the height is around 2.25 inches. This is perfect for someone who wants to add volume and length at the sides or maybe just needs a little volume on top. The life of these extensions would be probably from 1 to 2 years if you use the right shampoo and conditioner. It's extremely lightweight and very comfortable. These extensions can fully be curled, tongued and ironed. And that too, it's double drawn, so you will see that the ends will not be too scanty, it will be nice and thick at the bottom as well. As far as colors are concerned, the available colors are natural black, darkest brown, dark brown, light brown, caramel highlights, caramel balayage, and just in case if you're looking for a specific color, you can WhatsApp us and we can also custom color them. Natural hair color extensions can also be colored, however the lighter colors can be darkened. The one that the model is wearing is approximately 20 inches. Usually the textures which are available are natural straight and natural wave. Just in case if you are looking for curly extensions, we can customize those.